Hey guys, welcome back to the yet another video of the Clinical Dentistry Hub. My name is Dr. Shabista Debi and you are watching Clinical Dentistry Hub. So today's video is very important for those who are just waiting for the junior resident vacancy at the respective institute. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you the junior resident post which is now released in the very respective college, and all of you must be wanting to work in that college because it's like a dream college for most of us to do the Bachelor of Dental Surgery from there. So this video is very important. Please watch it till the end so that you will come to know about what is the qualification criteria is needed for this, how to fill up the form, what are the documents will be required there, and what will be the age limit, and all I will tell you in this video. So let's start today's video. So it is a non-PGJR vacancy in the Lady Hardinge Medical College, that is in Delhi. So basically it states that filling up of the vacant post of non-PGJR on ad hoc basis, that is on a temporary basis. So basically ये जो job release हुआ है, it is initially that you have to work initially for 44 days. You have to go and work there for 44 days. What basically you have to do is that you have to fill up the form that is there on the website of the Lady Hardinge College. I have mentioned the website in my description. Just go there, click on the website, you will see the form over there. You have to fill the form of that. Now basically it is you have a tenure of 44 days to work under it, but this tenure can be extended up to 6 months, and it all depends upon the basically the feedback which is given by the respective department. So the respective department of the Lady Hardinge College, they have been advised to show off the vacant post which is there in the department. So the list of the vacant post will be published on the website of this college on every 25th of every month, and to the next 10th date, that is the 10th date of the next month, is the last date to fill the form to submit your resume. So there are various documents which is required. First you need to submit your class 10th mark sheet, so that which will serve as a birth proof, and in support of that you have to submit your high school mark sheet. You have to submit your all mark sheet. If you are a MBBS, then your all MBBS mark sheet, and if you are a BDS, then all of your BDS mark sheet. And after that, for those who have done their MBBS from outside India, so they have to submit their NBE scores. Then you have to submit your degree, you have to submit your internship completion certificate. Then you have a certificate for a reserve category. If anyone has to apply in a reserve category, so you have to submit that certificate which is approved by the government. So basically the appointment which the person will be appointed on the basis of your score in the third prof or in the part second of your MBBS or the BDS. So on that basis your selection will be made. If the person getting higher marks in the third prof of your BDS or MBBS will be selected. So this is all about the selection criteria and the document which has to be submitted over there. Now it says that you have to do a job of 44 days over there, and in between if you leave the job and you do not complete the job, so that means they will not issue you a certificate of experience. Rather they will issue you the certificate of non-completion of your junior resident post on ad hoc basis. So if you perform well over there in your 44 days tenure, HOD may pass a feedback to the college and you may serve there for the 6 month more. Now let's talk about what is the salary over there. Now the salary is basically, it is the grade level 10th pay over there, which is from 56,100 to 1,77,500. So when you will join, let's just think that you are selected over there. So now when you join in that Lady Hardinge Medical College as on a JR post, so you will be assigned to do a workshop under a medical waste management category over there. When you will pursue that workshop, you will issue a certificate for pursuing that workshop, and when the certificate will be issued, you will get the salary in your account. So this is all. Now let's see who all can apply for it. Eligibility criteria, you all know, either you should be an MBBS or a BDS, or it is said that who have completed their internship and it's been 2 years till the date of applying. So you people will not be eligible for this post. That means a freshly passed out internship is eligible for this post. Moreover, age limit is there. Age limit says that your age should not exceed beyond 30 years, and there is age relaxation, that is 5-year age relaxation for the SC or ST candidate and 3 years age relaxation for the OBC candidate, and for physically handicapped person it is 15 years for SC ST and 13 years for the OBC candidate. So now talking about how much leave you can take on your tenure, only 2.5 day leave, that is 2 days leave and another is half day leave. So total 2.5 day leave you can take it, and not more than that will be generated to you. It is said that not only you will go and work in the department in the Delhi, but you can be posted in the various they have their other institution also, you can be posted there also, provided you have to work very good over there. Otherwise they can terminate you at any time without even giving you the reason for the termination. So all of those who were waiting for these kind of posts, it's a very good opportunity for them. Moreover, if the person has already done a JR-ship, he or she is not eligible for this post. So guys, if you are eagerly waiting for these kind of junior resident posts, it's only for you. There is a link in my description. Go to the link, fill the form and submit it. You will not get these opportunities again and again. It's a good opportunity, don't miss it out, and I know you can make it. All the best to you. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. And yes, of course, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss out any important video of my channel. Thank you.